Hello everyone. So in this video of algebra, we're going to be discussing about simplifying algebraic expressions. We're going to go through a few examples ranging from easy ones to difficult ones, which you might actually encounter in your exams. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, let's take this question. 8ab square by 12ab. So this is a pretty straightforward question because you have only one term in the numerator and one term in the denominator. So what are the common terms here, guys? You have a in the both numerator and denominator as well as b. So just cancel those terms. So you get 8b by 12. Again, 8 and 12 go in 4 tables. So you're left with 2 by 3b. So this is the answer that you get for cancelling this fraction. Let's take another example. Now this is slightly a trickier one. So let's say you have 4ab plus 8a square divided by 2ab. Here the first instinct might be you see AB here in the numerator and AB here in the denominator and you might just want to cancel it. But that would give you an incorrect answer because you're partially factorizing here. That is not how you're supposed to simplify algebraic fractions. So instead, what you do here is take the common term, factorize the numerator completely. So what are you left with? 4a into b plus 2a. That's what you get when you factorize the numerator. And in the denominator, you have only one term. So it's just 2ab. Now you can cancel a and you can cancel 2 and 4. And you're left with the answer 2 into b plus 2a divided by b. Let's take another question. 5x plus 10y by 15xy. So here again there's a scope of partially factorizing. So here you might see an x and x here and cancel it out, and y here and cancel it out, but that would be incorrect. So what you do here is take the common terms in the entire numerator. So the only common term in the entire numerator is 5. So when you take that out in the brackets, you get x plus 2y, and in the denominator you have 15xy. So here you can cancel 5 ones are 5 threes are. So you're left with the answer x plus 2y by 3xy. Okay, so the next question we have, simplify x square plus 6x plus 5 divided by x square minus x minus 2. So here it might look a little intimidating, but all you have to do is factorize the numerator and denominator and then cancel the terms. That's it. It's as simple as that. So let's start with factorization of the numerator. So the numerator is x square plus 6x plus 5. So factorization is simply you start by splitting the middle term, 6x. So there are different ways to write 6x. For example, you can write 6x as 3x plus 3x, or 10x minus 4x, or 9x minus 3x. So there are different ways of writing 6x as a combination of two terms. So how do you choose which combination of numbers should you take? It all depends on the third term. This is very important, guys. So look at the third term. This is number 5, right? Take the factors of 5. What are the factors of 5? You only have two factors, 1 and 5, right? So use these numbers 1 and 5 to split 6x. So how do you do that? You write 6x as 5x plus x. That's it. So whenever you want to factorize an algebraic expression, one way to do is split the middle term. And how do you split the middle term? Using the factors of the last term, or the constant here. The constant here is 5, right? So use the factors of the last term or the constant. Use those numbers to split the middle term. All right. So we split the numerator. Let's do the same with the denominator here. Again, for the denominator, you have x square minus x minus 2, right? So what are the factors of 2? 2 is the constant here. So find out the factors of 2. It's basically just 1 and 2. So use these numbers to split the middle term, which is minus x. So I'm just going to write it as x square minus 2x plus x minus 2. That is how you split the denominator. So let me just write it all together. So you get x squared plus 5x plus x plus 5 divided by x squared minus 2x plus x minus 2. So just take common terms. So you get x into x plus 5 plus 1 into x plus 5 divided by x into x minus 2 plus 1 into x minus 2. So you get x plus 1 into x plus 5 divided by x plus 1 into x minus 2. So here you have x plus 1 common in the numerator and denominator, so simply just cancel them. You are left with x plus 5 divided by x minus 2. So this is the final answer. This is how you solve a fraction which has algebraic expressions in the numerator and denominator. Okay, here we have another sum. Again, here you have two algebraic expressions, one in the numerator and one in the denominator. You just have to factorize them completely and then cancel. So let's start with the numerator here. Numerator is x squared plus 7x plus 10. Just factorize the middle term, split the middle term, 7x. How do you do that? By taking the factors of 10. So what are the factors of 10, guys? 1, 2, 5, 10. These are the factors of 10. So I can use 2 and 5 to get 7, right? So I'm going to use 2 and 5. So x squared plus 7x, I'm splitting it as 5x plus 2x. And then 10, I'm writing it as it is. So this is how I'm factorizing the numerator. Now let's talk about the denominator. So here the denominator does not have a middle term. It simply is x squared minus 4. So there's a formula, a squared minus b squared is equals to a plus b into a minus b. So basically, if you have an algebraic expression which is in this form, a square minus b square, you can split it into a plus b into a minus b. So here x square minus 4, I can write it as 2 square, right? So this is of the same algebraic expression, a square minus b square. So I'm just going to split it as x plus 2 into x minus 4. So my denominator will simply be x plus 2 into x minus 4. So let me write all of that together. I will get x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 10 in the numerator, and in the denominator I have x plus 2 into x minus 2. In the denominator, in the numerator, just take the common terms, x plus 5 plus 2 into x plus 5 divided by x plus 2 into x minus 2. So that is x plus 2 into x plus 5 divided by x plus 2 into x minus 2. So this and this gets cancelled. You are left with x plus 5 divided by x minus 2. So this is the final answer for this question. Alright, the next question we have x squared plus x minus 6 divided by x squared plus 2x minus 3. Here just do the same thing, factorize and then cancel. So let me just start with the numerator. Numerator is x squared plus x minus 6. So here I'm just going to split the middle term. How do you do that? Again, take the factors of the constant here. The constant here is 6, right? So what are the factors of 6? 1, 2, 3 and 6. These are the factors of 6. So use any of these two numbers in all of these factors to split it into x. So I'm going to choose 2 and 3. So this x, I'm going to write it as 3x minus 2x. That's it. That's how I split the numerator. And for the denominator, we have x squared plus 2x minus 3. So again, I have to split 2x here. So I'm going to take the factors of 3, which is the constant term. So what are the factors of 3? It's just 1 and 3, right? So use these numbers 1 and 3 to split 2x. So I'm just going to take x squared plus this 2x. I'm going to split it as 3x minus x, and I'm going to write minus 3 as it is. So now that we've split the numerator and denominator, let's just write them together. That would be x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6 divided by x square plus 3x minus x minus 3. Now just take common terms together. So it will be x into x plus 3 minus 2 into x plus 3 divided by x into x plus 3 minus 1 into x plus 3, which further can be condensed into x minus 2 into x plus 3 divided by x minus 1 into x plus 3. So you have x plus 3 and x plus 3 here, so you can just cancel them. So the answer is x minus 2 divided by x minus 1. This is how you simplify this algebraic fraction.